Oh.
You got your passport?
Yeah. Yeah, your passport?
I don't know, maybe.
Did you pack any GTs? Bring some home? Put them in the tank?
I didn't.
Let's put them in the, we should have brought some little GTs to the tank.
Imagine a little blue in the tank.
A little blue Geet? That'd have been sick. We really messed up and missed an opportunity to bring home some GTs back for the Guggen tank. Oh well, maybe next time. This may seem like a familiar setting. We are back in the airport at La Bombaggio, saying goodbye to the GTA, saying goodbye to the Indian Ocean. We're heading back to Bali. It's kind of a sad day, but I was just telling them, it feels good that we can say while leaving here that we had a fulfilled trip. We caught GTs every single day. I knocked some fish off my bucket list. These two knocked some fish off their fish bucket list. There's gotta be a name for that. You guys gotta help me. What should we call that? Like a fish bucket list. Anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. We're getting the bags checked right now. In a matter of no time, we'll be up in the air, 45 minutes, plane ride, and then we touch down back to Bali. The adventure is not over. In fact, it's just getting started. This was a great way to just capitalize on some amazing fishing here. But it is sad to leave. Which one hurts the most? That one, right?
This one yesterday did. Now this right here, you can barely even see it hurts. A little like bliss from a treble went in there. You know when you get a poke from a treble?
Yeah. Those are signs of a real Geet angler though, right?
Yeah.
They'll pay no game.
They're the index, you know.
Oh,
your index is gonna be fooped.
East Old Blister tells a story though.
Yeah. John. Thank you, bud.
This blows pops little Sam boys.
Did I get that all right?
Back in Bali. Hey, sit next to me. I held your seat. Nice, you can sit right there.
Me?
Yeah, I held your seat. Sam, you can sit, there's actually a spot at the front for you, man. Yeah, you can problem. From here on out, we don't have a sliver of an idea of what we're doing. We don't know where we're gonna stay. We're just basically gonna wing it, and that's what we do best. We wing trips, even internationally. Do I recommend it? No, not really. Hey, look at that dragonfly. Hey, little guy. Where are we going? Oh, we lost the crew. We're the Bintang boys. Bintang boys?
6 Bintang?
6 Bintang? Feels good to be back in Bali though. I really, really love this place. It's a little touristy, but it's beautiful and the people are just amazing. Hey, Bubby, you gonna go pee?
I gotta pee.
Hey, can you take him to go to the bathroom real quick?
I'll take him.
Yeah, okay.
Come on. Remember what you
We're here. We've made it. Found a hotel. Now we just have to see if they have any room for us. Sobs, this is not mine. I just love being an asshole to Sobs. He's like the nicest guy on earth. He just said, you guys handle the bag, I'm gonna do some stuff. I don't know where he's going. Welcome, or hi, thank you for having me.
Thank you.
That's already the best price.
How's
usually our
it looking? Are we good?
It's looking okay.
Oh, sorry, bud. It's not alcohol.
Can you add some alcohol to it, please? I'm a big Smirnoff guy.
Ooh.
Hello. Pool is awesome. This place is nutty. What the heck? It's gonna be tough to leave this spot, that's for sure.
No, 253.
Yeah, guys, gonna take that one. It's our room. Well, I can get used to this one, bud. Food. Thank you. Ooh, scooters. You nervous, bud?
I am. I'm honestly
You quaking? Front scooters? 4 scooters. Yeah. Which one's the fastest? Which one's got nitrous? Which was the fastest one? He says, come here.
Just one day.
I'm nervous. Been looking forward to this moment for pretty much since we landed. Rent some scooties, rip around a little bit.
Yeah, let's go.
Wow, we just dodged a hefty bullet, guys. Take a look at this. A few weeks back, I ordered this big camera order and Amazon screwed up and they sent me one of these doohickeys. It's called like a DJI Osmo. Didn't order it, got it for free, so thanks Amazon, I guess. Anyway, she's looking kind of dusty. I was filming some cool B-roll shots, which you saw there with the scooter, and I had it in the scooter holder. I had the Osmo like right there, and I hit a hefty pothole. I didn't see it, I don't know what I hit, and the scooter went boom, boom. It bucked up. The Osmo flew out of the compartment over my shoulder. I did one of these shimmies. I did a whiskey throttle too, so I would not let, I like wasn't letting go on the throttle, and I was going into this one guy, and I was about to kiss this guy's front end of the scooter, and by some grace of God, I survived and I'm all good. The scooter mission otherwise is going really good. We got food, we're about to head back to the hotel, maybe do some window shopping. We're just gonna chill and take it easy, but thank God I didn't die. In honor of the fact that I wasn't killed via scooter, you guys check these hats out, they're 15% off now. The Geet hats are still on sale, so thank you so much. But yeah, we're gonna head back now. I'm keeping everyone waiting by giving this update. You guys ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's roll. Wow, am I excited to use this thing tomorrow. Tomorrow's a pretty big day. It's gonna be a day full of fishing, but not the type of fishing you guys are probably used to seeing on this channel. Here's a little hint. Anyway, little moped mission was fun. You can't come to Bali without ripping around in the moped scene. What's the next move here? Bubby?
We're gonna go to the beach.
Yeah, we're the other two guys though. We're Sam and Sam. We're Sam Incorporated.
They're shopping.
Full shopping.
And John and I are gonna go to the beach. We're gonna sip some cocktails.
Mai Tais specifically.
Mai Tais.
Buy one, get one.
Buy one, get one free on the Mai Tai
one.
cocktail 7 to 9. We'll relax by the beach, and tomorrow morning we've got this surprise for you. So
Today was a chill day, right? Tomorrow's back to work.
Consider that a chill from flying to Komodo, renting scooters, flying off our scooter.
We didn't fish and we didn't do much filming. Today was a chill day in my opinion, but tomorrow we get back to work and we start filming. Hopefully some epic content. Bud, we're all gonna do over a Mai Tai. Let's go.
Okay.
Come on, let's roll out. Elevator.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll see you down there.
Okay, see you down there. Bye. Oh god, that was fast. So I've decided this is hands down the most incredible hotel I've ever stayed at. Resort for that matter. It's not even a hotel, it's like a resort. And it's not that expensive. I don't want you guys to think we're like hardcore balling out here and just like flaunting it. Like this place was fairly cheap. That's the cool thing about Bali is you can stay here and not have to spend that much money. Whereas in Iceland, you have to freaking take out a loan just to buy an ice cream cone. What's the move? What are we doing, guys?
We're gonna go grab some more drinks downtown and then go to sleep.
What kind of drinks?
Yeah, I'm not really hungry. Are you hungry? Wow, that's first, AJ. No, I'm actually like shocked. You shocked. Your fucking whole life revolves around food. Oh, that's not what I was talking about. I was talking about you getting mad at me. But I apologize. I was in the wrong.
There's love in the air tonight.
There's a lot of heat going on.
Yeah, there's some spiciness going on. Hey, did I mention how excited I am to go snorkeling tomorrow? Before I close out my video for today, guys, can I ask you 2 questions? Perrick.
Yep.
Favorite part about this trip so far?
When you caught the big GT.
Okay. Got a different question for you though. You only have how many days here? Like 2 days? 1 day?
Left?
Yeah.
2 days. 2 days.
What are you most looking forward to in these last 2 days?
I think if we can pull off that excursion that I'm not gonna mention yet.
Last minute? Yeah.
But
That
if
would
we
be
can
very
pull that off,
interesting.
I think just like the way these last 2 days, like on a whim, work out, I think that'll be awesome.
I'm saying good night, guys. Today was chill, relax, like, hey, we're in Bali. The trip is not ended. I want to try to make an effort to film every single day so I don't like take a break and say, hey, well, we're just chilling today, I'm not going to film. No, I want to make a video out of it and I hope I did a good job of it. Thanks for watching again. Be sure to check out the GT hats. They're so sick. They're so awesome. I'm going to make some more designs as well. I may make some designs that I haven't even decided yet that'll be dropped once this video is uploaded. But click the link in the description below. Also be sure to like this video if you actually liked it and subscribe. Good night, Bali. Good night, YouTube. Peace, love, and as always, keep GTing, never stop.